worth it to try and hit it from here?
Sure, if you want.
Bustin shit. OnlyFans. Okay, so I'm back. How'd I go above it?
I mean, you got it.
Already broke.
Yeah.
You just gotta get it.
Oh. It's like
right?
Not like that. I'm gonna try and get it to toss it up again.
You're bad.
Pretty similar results. Try it from the side.
Oh boy, this can only go up. Success!
You want to finish it off?
No, you got it. This is your little...
Okay.
You're bad. I love how we're throwing this at like an air pressurizer and a fucking blowtorch. There's another slice.
Maybe we should make it go the other way. Because it sends everything into the garage door.
That's a good point.
Alright, turn it off. I'm going to flip the wires. I'm trusting you. Hey.
I could kill you right now.
Same way.
Does this not have like one of the little switches that you can just...
Wait, it probably does. You're right. Where is it?
Actually, this thing might just be old.
No, I'm sure it does. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, so Clay's a moron.
Look.
That's what I thought you were doing at first, and then you're like, oh, what if I play with high voltage? Yeah! Can't be replicated.
Thanks. Not as good. Oh! There we go.
I guess it worked.
Alright, well, it's mainly just me hitting the wood, but... I mean, it broke one.
It opened. Open is open.
Alright, the door is gone.
Fucking
The phone! The phone! Yeah, this is why we probably should have
the bone taped.
Whoa!
Why are you alive?
See, that's how you film good, Eli.
Clay stuck in the fan. Well,
What are you trying to do?
get it like hooked in the fan. Like that, guys.
What is that gonna do?
I don't know.
Just launch it into it.
I don't know how that happened.
Yeah, because you're an idiot. We almost lost another one. Oh!
Victory.
We lost? No, not really. Well, this is 50% intact. Get it in the canoe.
Alright, so if I want it in the canoe, I gotta hit the right side, not hit the center.
That was the opposite of the canoe.
I will not be blamed for this.
You know what?
I'm trying my best.
Alright, we did it.
Yay!
That's lame.
Huh?
That was fun.
Well. Okay, so I think the key is you throw it this way.
Yeah, and it gets
It
wrapped
goes through the fan
And
and
it
the cord
catches it.
don't. Oh fuck! Wrong cord. Wow, it got caught on everything. Wow, even the electrical wires, nice.
Alright.
Ow. Ow. Shut up.
You hit the canoe.
Or
caught a shovel.
I just like, ow. the back of the head.
Holy shit.
Only go up.
Oh my god.
I'm glad I moved.
What did it hit? I heard like
ceiling.
I heard a thunk and then it was just over here.
All right, let's do that again.
Oh.
There she goes.
Oh.
Damn it.
Do what you did again, like wrap it around it. What the hell?
Don't worry about it.
What is that? What the fuck? What is
Pull the cord into it.
Huh, that was pretty good.
That was tall. Yeah. Oh, the part of the pawn.
What the porn?
Part of the porn.
Porn.
Well, it's on it.
It was sad you missed that. That just exploded.
Wait.
It's on it.
Are you recording? It's still going, yeah. Just let it. What the fuck?
Where's it gonna go? I'm scared.
It's gonna stay attached.
Oh, okay.
Here, hold
No,
it.
it's gonna. I bet it's gonna come off. Oh, it's getting smacked around.
Oh, it's
The disco ball. You remember the disco ball last time?
yeah.
Oh my god. That is whipping it. Do you see that on the outside? It's jiggling the whole thing.
Let's see. I don't have to be close to the fan.
Oh, it's the cord. I thought
That's
it was the phone.
disappointing.
Damn. Where's the phone?
Stop! I found the phone.
What is that noise?
Pause. Alright, neat. Alright.
Oh shit. Connect to the fan. Oh. Catch a blade, bitch.
The antenna's gonna hold it up.
Oh.
Dang
It really doesn't
several
like
times.
this thing. Let's see if I can do that every time. Guess not.
Another one.
Alright.
This can only go well.
This is the...
Goodbye, canoe. Rest in peace.
The answer trouble. You're gonna destroy.
He was doing it wrong. Alright, well,
How about we actually hit the fan?
How about I try golfing? Alright, we'll use the antenna to hold it up. Hey!
You're not gonna get it up enough.
Bet!
I got
You're gonna hit the floor.
Better than yours.
You hit the floor. Let me look at the speaker. This is metal. I don't know how that happened.
A metal wall. I think this is doing the thing again.
Yeah, I know.
What the fuck did you do? That's not how that was supposed to look.
Have you considered shutting the fuck up? This can only go poorly.
Why? It stopped though.
Well, I wonder why.
Alright, we're good.
Are all these here? Let's just
Just bend them all out. Well, I already plugged it in. That doesn't look any
Spin.
better. Come look at this shit. It's so out of... It looks so dumb. Alright.
I know.
I guess it's going faster now, so whatever. Oh.
Well, that was good.
Alright.
My
Time for a science lesson on answering machines.
They suck. It'll still run.
Burgood. Whoa. Oh
No. How the fuck?
That was so perfect.
Just pause.
Alright, I think it's messed up again.
I'll fix it. That looks right.
What the fuck? That's not right.
It's not gonna spin if it's still got this one attached. Break.
Way to fix it.
I am fixing it.
I know.
Alright.
We've made a fucking airplane.
I found more things to throw at it.
Have your brother in. Oh.
I used the fan to destroy the fan.
You're just gonna drop it on you. You know what? That works. One of these is so much more better.
Well, it came back, so I must throw it again.
Alright.
Wait, can I make you go faster?
Oh my god. Yeah, definitely. Wait, what if you make them just bend them completely straight? Oh, like that.
That happens. It works. Oh,
Oh my god. That's terrifying. That's going so fast. Oh, it
It just needs to go.
yeah.
Wait,
It needs more than that.
Yoink?
It's alright, let's throw stuff at that then. Get rid
I'm
of it.
terrified.
Oh my god. This almost works better.
Face your brother!
Oh my god.
Well,
Put itself out of its misery. It's still good.
it hung itself.
Put this back on my ceiling. Just fall
The
asleep.
house would shake.
Fall asleep and Alright, I got it. Oh, I gotta move out of the way.
I really wish you hit it with
Right on my head.
Don't do that way. Faster!
You're not.
I just gotta hit it.
You just shut that thing up.
Oh, I'll get it.
It's almost wiggling itself off of there. That's probably gonna fly off at some point.
Chop it. Oh. We gotta bend it out a little more. What can we do with this? The fan wins every time!
Oh my god. Annihilating everything.
I mean, the fan's kind of fucked. What else?
How to make a hammer.
Step 1, ceiling fan. Oh.
Nice. Alright, well that's gonna be the end of this video.